Hey y'all, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Peruvian luxury hair collection, and then also I have some news to share with you guys. So if that's something that you're interested in, then definitely go ahead and keep on watching. What's up guys? So I'm your girl Steph G, and welcome back to my channel where I share with you guys business tips, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's something that you're interested in, then definitely go ahead and join the crew. Alright, so like I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Peruvian luxury hair collection. For those of you who are new, I own a hair company and it is called Savage Hair Co. I will put our Instagram as well as our website down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and definitely check out our website so you can see what textures we carry, as well as our Instagram page, because that's where we do all our promotion, our giveaways, our sales, new texture alerts, and all that good stuff. And I will be doing a huge, well, I'll tell you guys after this because I'm getting ahead of myself. So yeah guys, I just wanted to come on here today and show you guys what textures I carry in my Peruvian luxury hair collection. If you haven't checked out my raw hair collection, definitely go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the very first texture that I have is the Peruvian body wave. I'm going to show you how it looks. Now this texture is super popular. For the most part, my wavies are popular, the loose wave and the body wave. Straight is starting to pick up. A lot of ladies have purchased the straight recently. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. The texture is very, very soft. Super bouncy. And then I'll show you guys the weft. Very nice and neat. And this is in 16 inches. So that's that one. Then the next one I'm going to show you guys is our Peruvian deep wave. And look at this, guys. Look how bouncy these curls are. And then a weft over here. Very nice and neat. This is 24 inches. Hair is very soft, and I'm super excited because I'm actually going to have my niece do a U-part wig using this texture. I just opened one and washed and conditioned it. It air dried, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks once that happens. This is how the Peruvian deep wave looks. Look how beautiful that is. It's like beachy type of weather. Okay, I said beachy type of weather. It's that hair for that beachy type of weather is what I meant to say. Super soft, and this is no products added. This is just washed and conditioned and air dried. So that you know when you go to the beach and you want to wet your hair, you're not worrying about whether or not it's going to look crazy when you get out the water. So yeah, look at that. Beautiful. It's natural, like a natural brown. But you can definitely dye this hair to whatever color you desire. So yeah, so that's that. The next one is, and I have a huge bucket. I'll probably pick it up and show you guys because I have all the textures in, not buckets, but bins. And they are separated by texture. I just kind of threw some in here so you guys, so I can show you guys. This is the most popular texture, and that is the Peruvian loose wave. Look how bouncy that is. Very soft. Then here's the weft, very neat. And this is 18 inches. Absolutely gorgeous. A lot of ladies purchased the loose wave. So that's that one. And then last but not least, it is the Peruvian silky straight. And this one is starting to get real popular. I've had a few orders on the silky straight. Very soft, silky. And this is 22 inches. Look at that. Beautiful. There's the weft on that one. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, so the next thing I wanted to show you guys is our 5x5 closures. And I only have two right now here in this bin. And I have the loose wave. Really well constructed. Transparent lace. You guys can see baby hairs pre-plucked. Absolutely gorgeous hair. You guys can see here. Then the next one is the 5x5 Peruvian Silky Straight. Transparent lace, pre-plucked baby hairs. As you guys can see. Really, really nice and beautiful. So yeah, guys, that is it for all the textures that I carry. So on to the news that I've been wanting to share with you guys. It's a little bit of sad news, but definitely a lot of good news. I will be discontinuing the luxury Peruvian hair collection just because I'm moving in a different direction. And, you know, I've been torn between the two whether or not I want to sell virgin hair, raw hair. And I finally made up my mind, and I think I just want to stick. No, I don't think. I am just going to stick with the raw hair. And I also just want to work with one region, you know, in the hair industry. As you guys know, I source hair from China as well as Southeast Asia, and I think that I just like the quality better in Southeast Asia, so I want to continue, you know, searching in that hair industry in Southeast Asia and kind of just let, you know, the hair industry in China not leave it. But I don't say that they have bad hair, it's just not the hair that I'm looking for. This hair was great, you know, and there's no problems with this hair. It's just that I just prefer the Southeast Asia hair better, and I feel like I can find more quality there than I can in China, especially because I feel there's a lot of, you know, hair companies out here that source their hair from China. So I feel like we're all kind of, and nothing wrong with all selling the same type of hair. It's just that I've always been the type of person that I want to find something different. You know, I want to bring my customers something different. So that's why I just decided to say, you know what, I'm just going to work with one region and not try both. Even though there's companies that sell raw and virgin hair, it is really hard because you have to make sure that you give each of those, you know, textures and each of those what do you call it, like each of those sections or sectors, you know, all the attention. And it's very, very hard when you're trying to promote, you know, one side and then the other side, and people are like, which one's better, you know. It's a lot. So with that being said, I will be having a huge blowout sale on the inventory that I have left for the Peruvian hair collection. So you definitely want to make sure that you're signed up to our mailing list. So you just go on our website, subscribe to our emailing list, and I will be sending out a mass email when I will have this sale. It'll be sometime in March, whether it'll be like the middle or the end, I'm not sure yet. And it is going to be a very, very discounted price. I'm thinking about just doing one price for all the bundles. Like, I'm not going to like separate. Like, I'm not going to do like $50 for 18 inch and $55 for 22. It's going to be one price for 24, 22, 20, and things like that. Now, closures and frontals will not be on sale. Those will be regular price if that's what you're looking for. It'll just be the bundles that are going to go on sale. So if you're interested, make sure, like I said, you guys are signed up to our mailing list. You are following us on Instagram, because we'll post that on Instagram as well. And just check back with the site, because you won't need a code. It'll already be discounted on the website. All you have to do is just add to checkout or add to cart and then check out, and then you will be good to go. So yeah, guys, I will be doing some videos on me testing out some more hair in the Southeast Asia region. Now, I already have a vendor for my raw hair, and I love them. So far, so good. I love their texture. I love the way, you know, their customer service is. The quality is great. So I'm definitely going to be sticking with them. But I'm also going to be doing some more research on some more vendors in that area to kind of see what else they have to offer. And I'll probably be doing some, I'm going to be doing some videos on the textures that I get, because I'm going to be ordering and testing out new hair. I'm also going to be doing a vendor list video. Yeah, I think I'm going to be doing that on the vendors that I've tried out in China. I've tried out a lot, guys. When I first started my company last year, I was trying out hair like crazy, because I wanted to make sure that I was getting the right quality. You know what I'm saying? So I had to like order bundles. I wasn't getting samples. I was getting bundles, okay? Bundles to try it out of each texture, just to see, you know, how it does. So I do have a list of vendors from China, and I'll probably, you know, let you guys have it so you guys can, for those of you who are starting a hair company, try it out and see if that's something that you like. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys have any questions or any comments, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the crew, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.